eyeballs.
Oh my god, what the frick is that? Ugh. Looks like the shit that's period or something. Thank you. It's a smiley face, babe? Is that supposed to be a smiley face?
It's green.
Oh my gosh, what the hell is this? Rob spoils me, but I don't eat breakfast this early. He's so sweet. My mega choice, Mrs. So thoughtful. I love him. What's the matter? What's the matter? Destiny 1? Look at me. Don't look at the camera. What's the matter? It's not your candy? It's her day to take the candy? It is her day to take the candy, baby. Your day was on the 10th. Today's the 13th. You have 2 more days before you get your candy. No, you get your candy on the 15th. No, it's not your day. Okay? Stop crying. It's not your day. Okay? You have your days and they have their days, okay? It's only fair. I know you're the baby and you think you should have everything, but that's not how it works, okay? You have your specific day. You got your candy on the 5th. And then you got your candy on the 10th. And then you're going to get your candy on the 15th. And then you're going to get candy again on the 20th. And then you're going to get candy on the last day. The 25th of Christmas. Which is the 25th of Christmas. What? The 25th of December, which is Christmas Day. I think that is so special. Okay? Alright, then stop your crying. There's no reason for you to cry. Okay? Alright, go have fun. Her hair is coming in nicely. If y'all don't know, the neighbor little girl cut her hair. She cut off all... It was really short. Now it's grown back where it can go in ponytail. But this little part right here, this one right here, it was cut really, really short. So that one sticks up. And then it wouldn't be so bad, but she also cut all of this. Like, let me show you. She jacked up her hair. You see this part? It's growing in nicely because it was short, like to her scalp, like almost to her scalp. But it's growing back in nicely. But it kind of sucked because you can't really do much with her hair anymore in terms of having her hair down. Can't do that. I'm folding laundry, and usually I have the kids do this, but how many else? Do you guys use your foot to
garage door.
manipulate things?
Garage door.
Can I turn on the light with my feet? No. If I do that, y'all know if I turn this light on with my foot, y'all know I'm very flexible. I'm almost there. Ah! Rob should have seen that. Rob always make fun of me because I can use my feet to do anything. Running out of space in here. I made them fit, guys. Such a rewarding feeling. Here go my the pair of heels I bought. They were $13.99. And I wear a size 10. There you go. I sorted all the gifts. That's Destiny's bag. I'm waiting on one gift for her. I ordered it on payday. Jaxson, I'm waiting on his big gift. And some other clothing item that I got him. And which it should have been here because I ordered it right after Black Friday. Rob's big gift. Rob's gift. Maddie. This big thing right here is Maddie. And here, twins, and Rob. And somebody else, I think. No, that's it. But I need to clean my closet because it's a hot mess. You what? You what? No. I don't plug the twinkle lights in a lot, but when I do, it's so pretty. I found my winter sheets. These are so warm. And then Rob covered me with this blanket this morning. And this thing, it makes you so warm, even though my room is like extremely cold because we're over top of the garage and the garage is not insulated. Only the side that meets the house that's insulated. So it gets extremely cold in our room. And this little heater right here, it works, but it tends to dry my nose out, so I don't really like it. But this, if I can find a bigger size of this throw for a blanket, baby. But these are our winter. They're nice. Like, I don't even know what kind of material, but I forgot what kind of material this is. But it keeps you nice and warm. And I have the top cover, and I have the fitted sheet on, as well as the pillow covers. So we should be nice and warm. I love the twinkle light. I'm doing laundry. I haven't showed my face on here all morning, but that's because I'm not put together. Rob is cleaning out the garage because we're supposed to be getting a snowstorm. We're supposed to be getting snowstorm on Wednesday, I believe. Is it Wednesday? Yeah, so he's trying to clean out the garage so we can shove his car in there with mine, because in the wintertime he likes to put his car in the garage. So I've been spoiled to park my truck however I want to in the garage. Now I have to kind of like squeeze my truck at a certain angle to make sure that I leave space for his car. I'm gonna go down there and show y'all, but good morning. Twinkle lights everywhere.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
And the trees on. I love this view. I need to get light for this side, but I've been so lazy. The one gift under the tree is mine.
Mommy.
I think my kids did a good job, but I have to come down here and clean.
Mommy.
This is not my clean.
Mommy.
Good job, boys. Oh my God. You gonna put the tape back down, honey?
You're welcome.
Huh?
I said I can.
Yeah, put the tape back down so I know where exactly to put my...
You're welcome.
You sold the stove?
Uh-huh.
I gave it away.
Huh?
I gave it away
For free.
for free.
He gave away the stuff for free, Gia. I'm coming down here. Oh, that's so nice.
I'm like, oh man, I like it here.
Oh, really?
Nice. The area.
Oh, okay.
They said their things are not heating up no more.
Oh. Okay, that was nice of you to give it to them for free.
Yeah, I need it out of here.
Look right here, Mommy.
Let me see.
I'm not done yet, but...
You're not done yet?
No, and then I have 3 more.
3 more?
This one, and then the big one.
The big one? Okay. So you gonna leave it out, or you want me to wash it?
You can wash it.
Okay.
It smells good, though.
It still smells good? Stop asking me about the candy. Oh. Gummy?
Yeah.
Go ahead. He did it. That's my tape that I can't cross. If I cross that, you know Rob is not gonna... he will fit, but that's my line. We did it last year and it worked perfectly. Really, babe? Really? You know I'm gonna be all over that line.
All right, here we go. Now. Oh yeah.
Now I can fit through there.
Oh yeah. Now you can. Oh yeah.
Every weekend after Rob is done cooking, my stove looks like this. You should see the stain that's on here. So I use the Barkeeper's Friend, and I just spray it down with whatever spray I have. Like, it's nothing fancy. It's just I just spray it down. This is not even what's in here. Okay, so this is after I got all the burn marks from around the rings. I still have that little patch right there, but I'm gonna shine this bad boy up and show you guys what it looks like. So, where is that bad boy? I don't know where it's at right now. I think I put it back, but it's just, see these little tiny little particles? I use my hand. You can use gloves. I don't care. To apply it, and you're just gonna let this sit on the stove top and dry, and then you're gonna go back in and shine that bad baby up. But look at that. So just gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna show you guys what I use. Trying to get my kitchen clean, y'all. This is what I use. Okay, guys, so I have to go do drop off for the kids program for their school. They have a program where some people are gonna come watch them stand outside, play something. It's like a, I don't know what it is, but they're gonna be outside for a hot minute. So I'm gonna go do drop off and then go grocery shopping for the week.
You break, I fix.
You got everything?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
You break,
I didn't vlog a lot today. I don't know why. The babies are dropped off, so I need to go do pickup for their virtual learning thing, and then go grocery shopping. Yeah, all in that order.
You have to go pick the stuff up now?
I have to do pickup. Wow, they need it for school tomorrow. I'm gonna do crock pot meals this week. Rob, you want more crock pot meal?
One damn crock pot meal.
It's not a crock pot, it's a multi-cooker.
I want texture.
Big difference. I'm making beef stroganoff tomorrow. You want beef stroganoff tomorrow?
That sounds like my stomach's gonna hurt.
No, it's just beef and noodles, egg noodles.
Oh, that's good.
You want that tomorrow?
Egg noodles.
Okay. And what do you want for Tuesday?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I took off fish.
For dinner today?
Yeah, I took it off. I forgot about this.
Oh, that's my good expensive snapper.
All right.
Don't be playing around with my $30 snapper.
So when you gonna make it?
You want me to make that this week?
Yeah, because it's thawed
Also
out.
tomorrow, you don't want the beef stroganoff?
No.
He don't want the beef stroganoff anymore.
Make the red snapper.
Red snapper? Okay. And then Wednesday, what do you want? Because this is Rob's last week to work. To work. And then he's off until next year. I can't wait to have him home all day so I can play with him. What do you want for lunch, for dinner on Wednesday, Thursday?
Yeah, that sounds...
That's not gonna happen. I'm gone. Nope, not gonna happen. Got all the kids' schoolwork in the back. It's time to go home now, so no, it's time to go grocery shopping. Anyways, I'm done talking. I don't even know why I keep vlogging. I need to go edit. See y'all later. We're in the grocery store and it's packed. But I need to get some stuff from the Fetch Reward thing so I can earn some points. I need to go figure out which one. I've never seen chocolate rum donut cake. Interesting. That would look good. I don't know if it's raining or snowing. It's doing one of them. But I'm in line to pick up lunches for the kids. That is snow. That is